Hello, gardeners and nature lovers. Today, we will talk about a very interesting topic: which plants are best to plant in August. If you thought August was too late to plant, stay tuned as we show you why this is the perfect time for certain types of plants. At the end of the video, we'll reveal a few secrets to maximizing yields and enjoying a healthy, bountiful garden even late in the season. August is a period when temperatures are still high, but the days are getting shorter, which is ideal for many plants that prefer warmer weather, but not too long periods of sun exposure. The earth is already well warmed, which accelerates the germination of seeds and the growth of plants. In addition, by planting in August, you can take advantage of the early autumn rains. That will help your plants take root well and prepare for the next season. Warm soil. As we mentioned before, the soil is warm during August, which helps in rapid seed germination and plant growth. Fewer pests. Late summer and early fall are periods when many insects are less active, which means your plants will be less exposed to pest attacks. Better weed control. In August, many weeds are already past their peak growth, which means it will be easier to keep the garden clean. Extended harvest. By planting in August, you can extend the harvest season and enjoy fresh fruit until late fall. What plants to plant in August? Lettucean greens. Species such as arugula, spinach, and various types of lettuce are ideal for planting in August. They grow quickly and can be harvested in just a few weeks. Radicchio and endive. These plants like cooler temperatures, and you will get better quality leaves if you plant them in late summer. Turnips and radishes. They grow quickly and are resistant to the cooler temperatures that come in the fall. Cabbage and Chinese cabbage. Both of these vegetables grow quickly and can withstand cooler temperatures. Peas. Plants such as peas and beans can be planted in August for a late autumn harvest. Did you know that arugula, a popular herb, was actually known in ancient Rome as an aphrodisiac? The Romans believed that eating arugula improved their love life, so they often used it in various dishes. Below I give you some tips for soil preparation that I use. Prepare the soil by adding compost or organic manure to ensure plants have enough nutrients to grow. During the hot August days, the plants require regular watering, but be careful not to overdo it and prevent the roots from rotting. Use shade nets to protect young plants from too much sun during the hottest part of the day. Planting in August can be extremely beneficial for your garden. Not only will you have the opportunity to extend the harvest season, but you will also reap the benefits of warm soil and fewer pests. Thank you for watching this video. Dear gardeners, send this video to all your friends. They will be grateful. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.